Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to change the name of your computer. This name is used when people try and find your computer on your local network. If I just open up my File Explorer quickly and go down to Network, at the very top here is my computer. And as you can see at the minute, it has a really random name. And no one will be able to tell that is my computer on the network. To make this easier for everyone else that's on my local network to know it's my machine, I now want to change that name. And to do this, all you need to do is go down to the bottom left hand corner of your screen and right click. You now need to click on Settings. And once you're on Settings, you now need to click on System. And we now need to go down to About. And we now need to click on Rename this PC. And we can now type in the name we would like to call this computer. If I just call this machine ComputerSluggish and now press Next, this will now be the new name for my machine. You do need to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. I'm going to go ahead and press Restart now. Once your computer has restarted, if we now open up our File Explorer and go back to our network folder, there we go. As you can see, my new computer name is ComputerSluggish. And it really is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.